Well, we're in Loppinot for the Loppinot de la Fiesta village event. David Market Movers.
Always here.
And then real brethren.
How you doing? How you doing?
So we are up here, we're looking to see where we see plenty of people serving like traditional food, pork and thing. You notice anything interesting?
They have pastels all over, all these Spanish type food. I see curry corn and all. I want to go and buy some of that. I know you all like that. I don't like that. So.
Well, we'll come and walk on with you and see it, all right? Now you go and eat our food now. Well, we get stopped by a fragrance, right? Thing was going on and he smelled some nice seasoning and things. So we stopped one time to find out what was going on, right? So we here with, let me get some names. Good day.
Yeah, good day. My name is Brian Didier.
Right.
Nirmali Maraj.
Right. And what are you doing here today?
Today we are actually come here to cook and enjoy ourselves basically by cooking.
Right.
Yeah, because you know we really can't be out there dancing and having fun as much as them. But we still cooking and having fun for the people and them to enjoy.
And where area are you all from?
We are from Arouca.
Tell me what's going on in the pot cover down there.
Alright, well right now we have curry stew goatee going on here. We're not too long throwing the coconut milk. We have no pot cover, so we're using fig leaf as the cover here today.
That's because you have no pot cover or because...
I have no pot cover. And yeah, a little more flavor.
I thought I see the fig leaf, so I say, well, all they really know what they're doing.
Yeah, a little more flavor to the pot, you know. Rather than the metal, a little more naturalness coming from above now. Yeah.
But how you all found out about the event? Or you all coming to the event for a while?
Well, I have been coming here for like 5 years, and through my cousin and them, and just loving parang. That's how I find myself here, but I never used to come to sell. I used to come to dance and, you know, enjoy myself with the parang. But, you know, my girlfriend here, Nirmali Maraj, she introduced me to the cooking and where I can make a little profit. So I decided to go this way. Yeah.
So we're telling the customers and they pull up about your goatee.
Well, what I have not just goatee, I have pork, I have rabbit and provision. So we have it nice today.
And 6 rounds out of the park in terms of flavor and thing, right?
Well, as you can see, everything fresh. There are no bottle season here. Fresh garlic, fresh strawberry, everything properly well grind up.
Well, it's smelling real best.
Thank you.
Right, and we're gonna walk around, but I want to feel you coming back here and eat.
That'll be nice.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so we're on the second booth here. We had Roxanne's Tasty Pastels. This is David here from Market Movers. Do nothing here with eatahfood again. And we're going to talk now to Roxanne. Which one of you is Roxanne?
Yes.
Roxanne, tell us a little bit about what's going on here. I see about, 5, 6, I can't even count how much things I have covered down here. But let me know what you have here.
Okay, today we are selling beef, chicken, pork, no pork today, oops, lamb, veggie, and we also have fish, I said fish, and pin.
Alright, Roxanne, nice. You have a nice array. But there are a lot of pastel stores around here. What make everybody want to come here?
Well, while we all have great tasting pastels, why not try Roxanne's Tasty Pastels, because Roxanne is also the winner of this year's First People's Development Pastel Making Competition that took place on the 1st of November in Arouca.
So we have some critically acclaimed pastels here, award-winning pastels we deal with here. Alright? Now I see you all doing things a little different. This device you have in the back here, you care to tell us a little bit about this?
Okay, so we are steaming our pastels. Sometimes I will boil, but this is a steamer which we purchased downtown Charlotte Street, Chinese variety store. So it's our steamer for pastels.
But are we real niceness going on here, you know? You see what's going on inside here? Wow. Wow. So I see you all doing a little innovation then. But how long you all been doing pastels?
I've been doing pastels more than 5 years now. This is my first year out in public. since winning the competition, I got a little more motivation to say it's time to step out. So my first time out.
Well, we appreciate that you get that confidence to bring something good for people out here. Because I like what you're doing here. I like your little innovation with your steamer here. It caught my eye. That's why we stopped here. Oh, he's a little camera shy. All right. And who's the rest of the team here?
My cousin Hasina.
Hi.
Yes.
Pleasure to meet you all.
Then I have another cousin who went straying, and this is our friend Iris as well. All right. And Huzzy is right there. He's the one behind the heat.
Oh, I see you talking to a lady, paying himself in a little more heat there. You said the lamb,
soya,
Fish.
chicken, beef.
Yes.
And then for dessert you have your pemi.
Nice. I explain to people what pemi is.
Pemi is a sweetened dessert made with coconut and cornmeal along with several spices.
Secret spices.
You can also add a bit of pumpkin in it. For today I did not use pumpkin, I just used the coconut, cornmeal, spices, secret spices, and sweeten it up a bit for you all.
Well, thank you very much, Hasina and Roxanne. All right, and we'll be back, don't worry.
San Francisco Villa, Isla la madrugada, Isla la liquid, la vamos a cantar San Francisco Villa, Isla la madrugada, Rio Manzanare, Miami Pasta, Miami Madre Calma, Women Yaman, Rio Manzanare, Miami Pasta, Miami Madre Calma, Women Yaman, Rio Manzanare, Miami Pasta, Miami Madre Calma, Women Yaman, Rio Manzanare, Miami Pasta, Miami Madre Calma, Women Yaman.